Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new collection from Glisten Glow to share. This is their Halloween quad that is going to be launching October 8th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This collection consists of 4 polishes and you can get the entire quad for $35, or you could pick up the individual polishes for $10 each. These polishes are all 5 free, and I'm also going to include a link to the Glisten Glow shop in the description box below. But anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. First up is this fun polish called Mummy of the Year. This is described as a white-based crelly with added glitters in brown, copper, and orange. There is no shortage of glitters in this polish. You've got a good variety of small, medium, and large hex glitters in a bunch of different colors, and I applied 2 coats for full opacity and for that layering effect with the crelly base. Because of the glitters in the polish, it does dry a little bit textured, so I'm going to apply 1 coat of Glisten Glow's Glitter Grabber to smooth out the texture, and then finish off with a coat of Glisten Glow's top coat. So here are 2 coats of Mummy of the Year with the Glitter Grabber and top coat. I also swatched this polish with the Glisten Glow matte top coat, so here is the matte swatch of Mummy of the Year. And here's the comparison between the glossy and matte swatches of Mummy of the Year. Up next is Which Way to the Candy, which is described as a black hollow polish with added hollow microflakes. And oh my gosh, look at the hollow in the bottle. This formula is perfect. It's easy to apply and it is very pigmented. I did swatch it in 2 coats for this video, but I have worn it again since I filmed this, and I wore it with 1 coat, and I'd say this polish is a 1-coater. Again, I applied the Glisten Glow top coat on top. And here are 2 coats of Which Way to the Candy. The next polish in the Halloween quad is called Scareway to Heaven, and this is described as a deep purple hollow polish with color shifting shimmers from blue to aqua to purple and hollow microflakes. I think the hollow microflakes in Scareway to Heaven are just a little bit bigger than the hollow microflakes in Which Way to the Candy, which is the last polish I swatched. And for this polish, I applied 2 coats for full opacity, and again I applied the Glisten Glow top coat on top. I could totally envision some galaxy nail art or a starry sky nail art design, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, here are 2 coats of Scareway to Heaven. And the final polish in the Halloween quad is called Ahead of the Carve, which is giving me major Halloween vibes. This is described as a vibrant orange polish with color shifting shimmers from red to green to gold. I applied 2 coats for this polish, but you may need a 3rd coat if you have a very prominent nail line. And I also noticed that I had a few little brush strokes when I was applying this polish, but they mainly disappeared as the polish dried, so I didn't need to worry about those. I also applied the Glisten Glow top coat on top of this polish, and here are 2 coats of Ahead of the Carve. So here's one more look at the swatches of the 4 polishes in Glisten Glow's new Halloween quad. Again, this collection is going to be launching October 8th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'll leave a link down below in the description to the Glisten Glow shop. The price for the quad is $35, or you could pick up the individual polishes for $10 each. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the swatches. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite polish from the quad. And if you want to see some of my other Glisten Glow swatch videos, I'll leave a link on your screen and down below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!